morning, guys. So today is Tuesday and we got our snow with our golden retriever. Here he is. He's loving the snow, everyone. He loves the snow. He likes laying down on the snow. Good boy. Good boy. And he likes that too. Good boy. Good boy. Why are you not wearing a jacket?
Guess I'm just gonna give him a treat. He's been a good boy. Sit. Paw. No. Sit. No.
No, sit down first.
Sit. Sit. Paw. Other paw. Yeah. Not. That's not how we do it. Hey. Sit.
Sit down now.
Sit.
Focus.
Paw. No.
Just
Paw.
give it to him, Daddy.
Other paw. That's not how we do it. Here. Take it then.
Too excited for him.
Let me down. He's too excited. He just wants to skip to the end part all the time.
Hi, guys. Let's go down there. Are we here? Psst. Hi guys, gusto niya yung snow. Tama yung snow natin guys, so super white. And super clean too. Puppy? What's this? Sit down. Good boy. Let's go down there. Let's go down there. Hi. Hi guys. So dito lang tayo sa labas. Maglalaro tayo sa ating puppy. So today is Tuesday, 11:45. So ngayon hindi ko alam kung makakapasok ako ngayon guys. Although ang start hour ko is 7 pa naman. Good boy. Good boy. Very good boy. Tingnan mo yung tree, oh. Super down kasi ang daming snow nakadikit. Just lay down there. Just lay down there. Ito yung gusto niya, maglalaro ng bola. Got a lot of snow on your face. So anyway guys, akala ko talaga this year na hindi tayo magkakaroon ng snow kasi ang snow dapat is start ng December tapos nag-January na guys, hindi pa siya nag-start. Kiss it now. Ay! Hurt myself. Let's go there. Let's go there. Where are you? Paps. Grabe guys, so yung snow natin, no? So itong boots pala na gamit natin guys is gift ni Habi sa akin from Jelly. It's really nice guys. It's very very nice boots. So fashionable. Very nice. Akala ko talaga na hindi tayo magkakaroon ng snow this year kasi eventually yung snow dapat is nag-start siya ng December. Tapos last year talagang walang snow guys. Malamig siya, nag-ulan-ulan, pero wala pang snow. Tapos actually yung snow natin ngayon nag-start siya ano lang 3 days ago lang guys. Tapos ito na ngayon, oh, yung snow natin. So, dito tayo ngayon sa labas kasi yung papi natin gustong-gusto talaga niya maglaro ng snow. Come on, Pop. Let's go down there. Come on, let's go. Faster, please. Oh, hippie. Good boy. Doon siya guys, sa favorite spot niya. Ayan yung favorite spot niya guys. Hi! You're having a good time, huh? Wow, wow! So many snow everywhere. Lay down there. Why did you put there? That's your favorite spot. May pasok tayo ngayon. Pero yung shift ko start at 7 p.m. So, hindi ko alam kung makakapasok ako or hindi kasi yung ating driveway, hindi siya na-plow kasi yung quad natin ayaw umandar. Tapos yung road natin kung saan kami dadaan is wala ding nagpa-plow guys. So, ito yung pinaka-struggle in life talaga namin every time na mag-snow. Oh, that's the snow we have. Hey, you're full of snow. Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Hi. Hi. Hello. Your face. What's going on your face? Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, good boy. Beautiful. You just sit. Down. Down. Good boy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good boy. And guys, so kahapon guys, so itong tinatapakan natin ngayon guys, inesprayhan siya ng grasses. Yung grass tumubo siya guys, pero hindi pa siya ganun kalaki. Tapos ngayon may snow tayo, so hindi ko alam kung makakasurvive yung grass natin. Good boy, good boy. He loves this, guys. This is what he loves. He loves playing in the snow. He loves. Good boy, good boy. Sit down. Good boy. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. My name is Max. And I am a service dog. So, I am the man of the house. Good boy. Yung trees natin, guys, oh. Ang daming snow. Anywho, guys, sana makakapasok tayo ngayon kasi kung hindi ako makakapasok ngayon, guys, matatambakan talaga ako ng work kasi yung isang staff ko kahapon hindi siya pumasok kasi relying on the public buses, guys. Tapos walang bus yesterday kasi nga sobrang snow. Tapos ngayon, tumawag ulit siya na hindi siya makakapasok. So, ngayon, I'm relying na lang talaga sa isa kong crew na pang night. Sana makakapasok siya. That would help me a lot, guys. Kasi kung hindi, halos ako na lang din ang mag-cover lahat sa mga work na dapat sila yung mag-work. So, kailangan talaga, guys. Ako, guys, as a manager, mutabang or ako, guys, as a manager, tumutulong din ako sa mga tauhan ko, guys. Hindi ako nagre-rely lang sa kanila. As in, kung tutuusin, ako yung mas maraming nagagawa or natatapos kaysa sa kanila. Kasi hindi, iba kasi sila, guys. Tayo as a Pinoy, no? Mabilis talaga tayo magkilos, mabilis tayo magtrabaho. As in, from the beginning to the end talaga, tapos talaga siya, guys. Itong iba naman kasi mga lahi yung mga tauhan ko, guys. Ano siya? Yung iba, mahinhin. Yung iba, mahina kumilos. So, wala naman tayong magagawa, guys. Kasi ganun talaga sila. Hindi naman natin sila pwede i-force din. Kasi, iba kasi dito, guys, may tayo. Under union tayo, guys. So, hindi katulad sa Pinas na kapag hindi mo nagustuhan yung mga tauhan mo, ifo-fire mo sila anytime. Dito kasi hindi pwede. Iba dito, guys. Iba yung patakaran. Oh! Come back! Good boy! Good boy! Come on, let's go here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Where did you went? Huh? You stay there. Good boy. So, last snow pala, guys. Meron tayong, yung last snow natin, may kasama pa tayo isang aso. Ngayon, wala na siya. Uh-oh. Where is it now? Where is it now? Come on here. Let's go down there. Ito yung gusto niya, guys. Gusto niya mag-stay sa labas ng bahay. Lalo na pag snow, gusto niya, guys. Good boy. Why does no one stay in your back? Huh? Let's build a snowman. Where is the snowman? Let's build a snowman. You're a bad guy. Why you took my bench away? Sabi, yan na. Oh, I'm sure that we can get wet. Don't get scared. Don't take that away. No. No, no. That's our snowman. Built a snowman. We're building a snowman. No. Don't take that. Okay, wait. Wait, closer, closer, closer. Good boy. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, good boy. Okay, to side. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Puppy. Puppy up. Puppy. Puppy. Hi. Puff. Sit. Puff. Come on. Come on. Here he is. Woohoo. Where is it? Where's the ball?